So here we have the laser distance meter for the 40 meter range. Let's start with the unboxing. So it comes in this cardboard box, which is basically made out of recycled cardboard. Another thing that I like is the packaging is made mostly out of cardboard. So we have here the instruction. It's a short instruction in English, so everything you need to know. And then the only thing that is out of plastic is this cover for the distance meter, which you should use also if you store the distance meter, for example in your toolbox. What I already attached in advance is this cord or the strap, so this is really good. And also there is still the display cover on it, so you can see it here also with the dimensions. Basically it has a height of 12 centimeters and a maximum wide of 5 centimeters, and that is 2.5 centimeters, so it's really compact. It is mostly made of plastic. Here on the outside the red one is rubber, so you can really good handle it, and also the cover here for the keys is made out of rubber. So let's turn on the device. Basically, and now it started. On the top right side you can see the battery status. I will also tell you which battery is required. On the left side you can see from which point it measures. So basically now we have the line down here, so it measures with the length of the device, and this you can change it here. So now it switches to the top, so it just measures the distance from here to the point where you're measuring. You will see it with the red laser beam. So for example we can measure right now, and then it says 1.467 meters to the next to the point where you want to measure it. Then you have also the angle. So for example, if I turn this device right now to 0 and hold it or put it on the table, we see that my table is 1 degree, 0.9 to 1 degree. So this is later important for the Pythagoras measurements, which I will show you right now. So you have different measure modes. You can change these measure modes by with the menu button. So for example here you can see that you measure in an area. So for example if I measure with 2 lengths, I will have an area of 0.288 square meters. Then you have another measuring for the volume, and then here it comes with the Pythagoras function, so you will always get indicated which side you have to measure, or what do you have to measure to get the output you want to have. So for example, if I measure it here right now, then it says gives me all the rest information that is necessary. So then you have also other Pythagoras functions, and also this function. So it will always show you what you have to measure. This is always blinking, and it will calculate the length by itself. So what is also important is to change the units. So basically I have feet. We had meters before, now we have feet, then we have inch, and there we have also so also should be inch. I have to check this in the manual, and then we're going back to meters. And what you also can do is you can delete, of course, what you measured, and you see here I did 15 measurements. So you see number 11 and this little disc symbol. So for example, number 9 was 1.5 meters, and now I can also delete this. So it goes down from 15, so you can delete the last values you measured. So if you press it long, the device will automatically turn off, and here in the back you see that it has 2 batteries. It doesn't come with batteries, and it's, yeah, you can see it, 2 AAA batteries. And also you have here the information, so please be careful. Don't put this device, don't look into the laser beam, and never hold it in front of any other person. So this is quite important. Yeah, it's a class 2 laser. And yeah, so this is my full review of this device, and I can really recommend it for the price. I got it for around $11 with a deal on GearBest. So yeah, it is really recommendable. Also, yeah, for a higher price, going up to $15, it is still, yeah, from price and yeah, price value, it is still the best device on the market right now. Okay, thank you.